Just a quick video on protecting our iron router table, that is.
I'm Rick, and this
Shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Nailed it for your sanity.
This is the shack.
Hello and welcome. Because of an event that happened on my table saw, I'll have a link up here, you can check that out. Because of what happened, I decided I am going to throw together something quick and simple, basic, a cover that can sit over my cast iron tabletop, but it's not going to slide off or anything. It'll sit on there secure. And the main purpose of it is to protect it from anything that may get sat on there. Just saying. And it also will help from like the moisture in the air because it's covered. I think that will help in the long run. But main thing is portability, light, and functionality. So I'm going to go over my process. We're going to build a cover for the router table first. Same principle falls over to the table saw. So I'm just going to show you the build of the router table. You can get the idea. If you want, you can build one for your router table or for your table saw. Just gives you something to think about. Quick, easy build. Let's dive right in.